So now let's select the shape tool. So for example, I will select here the rectangle tool. And now in order to make a perfect rectangle, hold the shift key and then create the rectangle. Now I want to remove the color of the rectangle, so left click here and then click on this icon here up here to remove it. I want to add an outline, so left click here, you can select the color. So for me, I'm going to go with black. And then here I'm going to change the size to 3 instead of 1. And now let's select the move tool. And now I'm going to center it. So this is going to work in all studios, vector, pixel, and layout. So I am on pixel. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer. So select it. You can either right click, duplicate layer, or hold the control key and then drag it to the right and then release. Make sure to keep holding the control key until you created the duplicate layer. So here it is. Now I'm going to place it back where it was. So since I activated the snapping, so now I'm going to scale down duplicated rectangle proportionally, hold the control key and the shift key and then scale down. So I'm going to scale it here. And now I'm just going to rotate it a little bit like this. And then hold the control key and the J key at the same time. This will create duplicates. So here it is. And now, as you can see, the top layer is selected. I'm going to scroll down, hold the shift key and then select the bottom one to select all the layers. So here it is. We have all our layers selected. And now I'm going to group them. Just click on this icon here to place them on a group layer. Left click here. So here it is. So you can try it with any shape. So for example, I'm going to hide this one. So let's try it, for example, in layout. So I'm going to try it on layout. So I'm going to left click here. Let's select another shape here. So I'm going to select the polygon. You can still on vector since the shape tool here is on layout, pixel, and vector studios. Hold the shift key to create a perfect polygon. So as you can see, it used the same settings as I used with the rectangle. It didn't fill the color here. I just added the 3 points outline. So let's select the move tool. So I'm just going to place it here like this. And now I'm going to duplicate it. So right click, duplicate. And now hold the control key and the shift key to scale it down proportionally. So here it is. And now I'm just going to rotate it here. And now just hold the control key and the J key at the same time. So here it is. And now as before, as you can see, our last layer is selected. Scroll down, hold the shift key and then select on the polygon here layer. And then just as before, click on this icon here to place them on a group. Now I will select the move tool. I'm going to place my polygon here to the left. Let's reveal the rectangle. So here it is.